Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower package for our customer's 1981 Chevy C10. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the late model block, 4-bolt main block, roller lifter camshaft, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, balancers included, roller lifter camshaft, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. These real nice red Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan for the C10 truck. It's real nice Chevrolet black valve covers with the black intake manifold and the matching 14-inch Chevrolet air cleaner with a washable element. We've got the quick fuel carburetor on there. Throttle return spring on there, throttle cable bracket, real nice GM Performance HEI distributor, proper flex plate for the C10 and the balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filters on there. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. All of the readings we showed in the video. Photos of the entire engine build you'll get of each engine. So there you have it. 350 Chevrolet 375 horse package for the 81 C10 here. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.